I'm here with Mark Walters, the set designer for our pantomime Mother Goose. We've just had our model box showing and he's going to tell us a little bit about what we can expect from the set. So for those that aren't familiar with the concept of a model box, Mark, do you mind just giving us a quick rundown?
Well, a model box is something that looks like this, and it's all to scale of 1 to 25, and I draw and paint all the scenes and all the cloths for every bit of scenery for the pantomime.
Okay, and without giving too much away, what can our audience expect from the set and the costumes this year?
Lots of glitter.
Good.
You can never have too much. So on this model, all the gold pen which I put on indicates glitter, so all the staff here know there's lots of glittering to be done.
Okay, and the Mother Goose is traditionally quite set in rural woodland, so how have you managed to make that look glittery and sparkly?
Well, what we've done is we've given it a Victoriana pop-up book feel, and we've given the proscenium a really ornate look, which follows throughout, just to give it a little bit of glitz and glamour. Otherwise, it's all trees and cottages.
Okay, and what do you mean when you refer to the Victoriana pop-up look, just in case people don't realise?
It's a layered look, which is drawn and layered rather than three-dimensional.
Okay.
To give this sense of depth.
Okay, great. And you've also designed the costumes. Now we're quite used to seeing some big, lavish costumes in our pantomime. Is it going to be the same this year?
I hope so. It's always a bit daunting being a new designer in a theatre, but I'm hoping they're going to be bigger and better.
Can you give
Watch
us
this space.
Yeah. Can you give us any kind of hints?
It's quite a big, feathery egg one for the walk down. So
Right.
it should be quite big. But it's quite an active dame in this one, so a little less large on some of them because they're a bit more active.
Okay, cool. And what about our goose, Priscilla? What's she going to look like?
Well, Priscilla will have lots of little goslings as well, and they're currently going to be made out in Cheltenham, and very lavish.
Okay, brilliant. And now that the model box is all done and complete, what's the next steps design-wise and building-wise?
Well, from here I do the technical drawings and then the builders would build all this to scale, and the scenic art department will paint all of this, and they'll paint the cloths, which each take about 2 weeks. So it's quite a long process which starts now up until Christmas.
Yeah. Okay, brilliant. Well, thanks very much for that.